How would you like to get paid to watch Netflix? Sounds awesome, doesn't it? Well, you can actually do so. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you a number of methods that you can use to get this method up and running. I'll also share with you a slight variation on this and how you can actually make more money with this, okay? But if you are wanting to get paid for watching Netflix TVs and shows and movies and all of the wonderful stuff that's on the Netflix platform, then we'll be covering that in today's video. Now, below in the description box or the comments, I'll put a link to this article for you. We've just finished writing this up after doing a lot of research into this because there was a lot of outdated stuff over on Google, but we've just finished writing this up. So I'll leave a link to this down below for you, and you can go ahead and check this out because we've got links to all the resources in here for you and lots more. Okay, but let me give you a few examples of this. Then I'll share with you what I would do with this method. Okay. So the first one is you can actually become what is known as a Netflix tagger, okay? And essentially, it shows you down here, look, in order for you to become a tagger, where is it? You watch movies and TV shows, you will assign tags that make content easier to search and promote. It's no surprise that the job pays well, and you can earn potentially between $14.50 to $22 an hour. Now, Netflix offer this as obviously as a side hustle job. They also offer hundreds of other jobs over on Netflix. Now, to find out about this job and all of the other jobs, you simply come over to this website here, and it's called jobs.netflix.com. Now on here you can find, literally when I looked earlier on this morning, there was about 50 different jobs over on the website. They've got articles in here, they've got locations where these are available, so you can see it's locations all across the globe. They've got a lot of remote jobs, so if I click on here and I type in remote, you can come here and literally just go through this. So let's see what it brings up for remote. So you can see now, if you just scroll down to the bottom, this is page 1 of 3. So there's currently about 60 different jobs over here on Netflix. So it's jobs.netflix.com, okay? So you can go over here and look for different different job opportunities or openings, and you can find them over here. Remember the word though, job. This is a job, or it's a side hustle. So you are going to be swapping your time in exchange for money. The other website I came across, again after doing some research, was this one over here, which is called Media Rewards. Now, if I scroll down here, you can see this is the website, and it says you can earn easy cash rewards, which is good, cash rewards, by watching TV, YouTube, and also listening to the radio. So if I click on here, and I'll just show you this. This is the website, this is what it looks like. Watch TV, listen to the radio, get rewarded. Scroll down here, it tells you what it is. So it's a 3-step process. Sign up, watch and enjoy. Make easy cash. That's everyone's dream, isn't it? Make easy cash. Win points, take surveys, earn cash, and free gift cards. They've also got, if I scroll down here as well, I'll show you this really quickly. They've got this available over on the Google Play Store and also on the App Store. So there's a number of ways you can earn money, and it's not just from watching Netflix. This site over here, you can go ahead and get paid to watch YouTube videos. And if you go over to the frequently asked questions section over here, basically it tells you everything about this, about the procedure for payment. Let's have a look at this one, the most important. How do I get paid? So it goes down here and it tells you all about this, and then privacy and data and account. So that's 2 simple and easy ways that you can make money with Netflix. Well, let me share with you the one I would recommend and go down, the route I would go down, okay? So if I come over here, let's just scroll down, and we're going to scroll a bit further down. We're going to look for this here. This one here, participate in affiliate marketing. Now, in terms of affiliate marketing, the Netflix affiliate program, they got rid of that probably about 3 years ago because they just got to the point where they was earning enough money and they didn't need affiliates sending them money. Now, they do still have that, after doing some research, they do still have the Netflix merch shop, and you can become an affiliate for this. Now you can see here, look, the Netflix merch shop the Netflix merch shop, that's a mouthful, sells products from your favorite movies and shows, including Stranger Things, Squid Game, Big Mouth, etc. Okay, and then you can scroll down here and see how much you can earn. So you can actually earn up to 8% with this, okay? Now, in order to become an affiliate for the Netflix merch show, you need to sign up with this company over here, which is this one. It's called Flex Offers. So if I just go over here, I'll show you their website so you can see this. We'll go to Flex Offers. This is an affiliate network basically, okay? So if I come on here, I'll show you this. Scroll down the page here, you can see they've got 10,000 other advertisers, including Netflix, inside of this affiliate network over here. And basically, you can sign up to become an affiliate with Flex Offers, and then inside of here, you can go ahead and partner up with this, the Netflix merch shop, and then you can start sharing your own affiliate links online to these different products over here. So what we will do is let's just take one of these as an example, okay? So Stranger Things merch. So all I'm going to do here is really quickly, I'm going to type in Stranger Things merch. And I'm just going to have a quick look and see the sort of, I mean, look, blimey, look at that. 110,000 people a month are searching for Stranger Things merch. That actual keyword there, people are searching for this. It's crazy, isn't it? So how could you do this method yourself? Well, first of all, step one is we go ahead and we create an account with this company over here, this flexoffers.com. Once we've gone inside of their into this affiliate network, we can then sign up with the Netflix merch store and any of these other ones going along the bottom if you wanted to. But then once we've done this, we need to start focusing on creating content so that we can get people to click our affiliate link. How do you do that? Well, there's a number of ways that you can do this. But the key point to remember here is there's 110,000 people a month searching for Stranger Things merch. So there's a demand for that product. If I come back over here, what else have we got? Stranger Things merch, I don't even know what that is. Big Mouth. Let's go ahead and have a look at that. So I'm going to type in Big Mouth merch. Let's have a look at this one. 1,600 people a month are searching for this. So how this method works is we go ahead and we get our affiliate link and then we start creating content for this. Probably one of the easiest ways of doing this. So if I go back, let me click on the back button, is we would use something as simple as, let's think, Pinterest. Really simple, because Pinterest is a visual search engine, okay? So you can come over to Pinterest and create a free account, okay? Now, inside of here, let me go to the home page here, and I'm going to go to the search bar, and I'm just going to paste that into here. And let's see if people are doing this, because I can guarantee there will be. So we're going to scroll down here. Now look, people are doing this exact method. So there's a link on here. Let's go ahead and find another one. Let's go to, what's this one? Levi's, no, Stranger Things. Come further down the page here. But what people are doing is, so they're putting a pin, this is known as a pin, they're putting a pin here onto Pinterest. When people go ahead and click on this here, so like this one here, for example, let's go ahead and see where it's sending me to. So if I click on there, it's sending me over here to the shop. And they're selling this product for $40. So in terms of going ahead and creating these pins and sending them over to the Netflix merch shop, how would you do that? Well, really simply, you've got a couple of options. You can go over to the Netflix merch shop and find items related to the keyword you're using. So in this example, like Stranger Things, and you can take a picture and upload it onto Pinterest like this with some text over here and your affiliate link into here. It's not difficult at all. Let's find another one. Look, Stranger Things. Stranger Things. So this method works. There's a reason why people are going ahead and putting these visual pins over onto Pinterest, because people are interested in this, obviously, because we've got 110,000 people a month searching for this, and it really is a case of just uploading a pin. It's crazy. It really is. And there's so many different ways that you could, take this a step further. You could go ahead and branch out and start creating your own products further on down the line. Let's have a look at this one here. Where's this sending me to? Nowhere. That's crazy. Oh, here we go. Look, more art. But for some reason, this person has not put a link. But let's go on here and let's click on Go To. Well, that person's doing this method completely wrong. But in terms of uploading a pin here, you need an image. So you can grab one from the Netflix merch store, or you can create your own. Once you've got an image and you've got your affiliate link, it's really simple. We come over here and we go to, in fact, let me go to the home page for you so you can see this. So this is what it looks like on the home page. Okay, so really simple on here. Once you've created an account on here, if I scroll down here, all of your pins will go down here. Okay, so to put one of your own pins onto Pinterest, we then just come up here on the left hand side where it says create, and then we click on create a pin. It then takes you through to this screen, and it's really straightforward. So here, look, drag and drop or click an image, so your image will go here. You give this a title, so include your keyword in here, tell people what your pin is about, and then here's the cool thing. Down here where it says add a destination link, this is where your affiliate link would go inside of here. Now, you can direct link to affiliate products inside of Pinterest. They do allow you to do this. But what I would say is, over time, if you want to do this method correctly and properly, I would go ahead and create a free website and direct the traffic from Pinterest over to your own affiliate website. And again, it's not a difficult process. And the one thing I would say is if you want me to share with you a full video on, going ahead, creating an affiliate account using Pinterest, just comment down below. And if we get enough interest, then I'll share a full video on that method for you. But look, it's free, it's simple, and it's easy. It will just take a bit of time and effort. But, if you actually want to go down the route of just simply watching, Netflix to get paid, then this article over here, it's got a few different options for you. As you can see on here, write reviews of Netflix shows and movies. You can go down that route. You can use sites like Swagbooks where they'll pay you to do it. Websites like this, Media Rewards as well. There's many different ways you can actually get paid by working with Netflix. And if you want more, resources for earning online, just go over to the website and check out the Make Money section. We've got lots of articles in here for you. But look, that's today's video. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.